Today's little tutorial is car leather cleaning. Now what I have lined up in front of me, car leather cleaners, as in not dedicated purely for car leather cleaning, other than the infamous Lexol, which is a public favorite. Not that it's not a good product, it's just ineffective on leather that's actually dirty. So in no special order, everything else here is a form of all-purpose cleaner. Here we have a total interior cleaner by Detailer's Pro Series. We've got 303, which is a multi-surface cleaner. We've got Griot's Garage carpet cleaner. We've got Chemical Guy's fabric cleaner. And then we have my very famous Meguiar's super degreaser, which has been cut down 5 parts to 1, which means for every 1 part of the concentrate, I add 5 additional parts of water. And then what I have over here, even though it says Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner, what I've been testing out for the past few months is 3D Professional upholstery and carpet shampoo. Now if we go on the inside, I have 3 spots that I've cleaned. This spot I cleaned with super degreaser, and I had to scrub it 1 time to get it this clean. This spot was used by the 3D, which is a concentrate, and I diluted it down according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now I had to scrub this 2 times with a toothbrush in order to get it as clean as the 1 time with the super degreaser. Now this spot right here was done with the Lexol cleaner, and I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed, and this is the best results I could get from it. So once again, to illustrate my point that I keep driving home, is that Lexol, yes, is a good product, but you must define good. Will it hurt or harm the leather? No, it will not. But will it actually have the ability to clean leather that is truly dirty? And my simple answer is that no, it cannot. So therefore, I'm going to switch to something that's far more effective, and that's why I switched to a non-dedicated leather cleaner, such as these multi-purpose or all-purpose cleaners. Now this leather by no means is trashed, but there are some signs of wear and tear on it. For example, right here, I can tell that the finish has literally been worn off. Now this could have been done by a cleaner. Let's bring in some other cleaners and do some test spots and see what kind of results we get. Let's try, for example, the Griot's carpet cleaner. And yes, I get it. It is a carpet cleaner, not a leather cleaner. And I'm just going to spray it right on the toothbrush. And I'm going to try a spot right here. And right now is the point where I stopped and I considered that 1 go. That is pretty impressive based on that it's a carpet cleaner. So this is a way that I can clean the carpeting, I can clean the leather, whether it's vinyl or true leather, it doesn't matter. My goal is to A, see how effective these products are, and B, can I use or find one product that can serve many, many cleaning purposes. So this I would give a B+. So far, the Meguiar's super degreaser gets an A+, the 3D gets an A, the Griot's gets a B+, the Lexol, I'm going to give that probably a C-. Let's switch to the 303 multi-surface cleaner. So let's see how it works down here on this dirty spot. Once again, I'm scrubbing with the same amount of pressure to the point where the handle is actually bending. And in fact, it did. But if I look in the little tiny crevices of the fingerprint or the texture, it is not 100% clean. So I know if I was using this product, I would have to go over it a second and possibly a 3rd time. So I'm going to give this a B. Now let's go with the Meguiar's Gold Class. And this is both a cleaner and a conditioner. So let's pick a dirty spot right here. Once again, I'm going to scrub. Consistency to it, and I can tell that it's not being overly effective. Did it clean the area? Yes, it did. But did it clean all the nuances of the area? No, it did not. Based on this, I'm going to give this a B to a B+. Last but not least is Detailer's Pro Series Interior Cleaner. Let's pick another dirty spot right here. Once again, I'm scrubbing as aggressively and hard as all the previous moments. Okay, I'm gonna give that a B. I know. For all you hyper vigilant, hypercritical guys out there with a true eye for detail, you will know that I left one product out, and that is the Chemical Guys Fabric Clean. So here it is. I have diluted it down to the proper label on the manufacturer, 20:1, and I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna clean a spot. And just to be fair, this side was not as dirty as that side, but nonetheless, we'll still be able to determine the results. So here I am scrubbing away, got a little drip, and so far I can tell it's breaking it down very nicely, but not nicely enough. So based on my experience, if I had to pick in this moment on this leather, in this selection of, let's say, about 8 products, my go-to would be the 3D upholstery and my Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner.
Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and